In general, I don't condone regular smoking, but in certain circumstances, smoke is appropriate as medicine and for ceremonial purposes. And here I'm going to show you how to mix up your very own smoking blend with mullein as a base. I'm adding 2 parts dried mullein leaf, 1 part dried mugwort, 1 part rose, 1/4 part lavender, and then mixing really well. This blend has a very relaxing quality and can be used before meditation, dreaming practice, journeying, or any other ritual or ceremony. You really don't need much herb to make this. This would be enough for 3 big batches to share with friends. Once you're finished mixing, add the mixture to a small tin and then label it. You can then add a small amount of herbs to a pipe or roll a cigarette. Then light up, and it's up to you whether you inhale or not. Here is a more indirect way to smoke mullein in order to break up chest congestion, help with an asthma attack, or help bring somebody back into their body after being in an altered state. Simply light up the leaves in a heat-proof container. Make sure that they are well lit. Some folks like to add a little bit of moisture to the leaves to help facilitate a better smoke. And then gently waft the wisps of smoke toward the person who needs treatment. And on a personal note, I had just been recovering from an upper respiratory infection, and this helped to break up some of the congestion. Smoking isn't for everyone, but if you're open to trying this, let us know if you do.